If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out of my any latest video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a night skincare routine for beginners. I do have my 10-step skincare routine. But today this will be for those that are looking for something little bit more simple, because that 10 steps can seems like a lot, or for those that are just not get into the skincare, especially for their teenage or for their early 20s. Out of the 10 steps of skincare routine, I have picked up top 5 steps that I find that super important to do, and these are the steps that will never leave out. So let's get started. So the step I'm going to show you right now will be a great daytime skincare routine for beginners. So the first step is cleansing. When you wake up, it's important to cleanse your face either with water or with cleanser, because while you're sleeping, you might be drying your face. There might be like dust collecting on your face. So if you have sensitive skin or acne prone skin, it's important to wash your face. So move all that. If I don't wash my face in the morning and in the night time, either I'll get oily throughout the whole day or I'll get pimple hairs too. So I'm just going to explain all the steps one by one. There are a lot of cleansers out there. Just important that you pick a major need of cleanser. Like if you have acne prone skin, you could find an acne prone cleanser, or like a gentle cleanser if you have sensitive skin. I have combination skin, so I use Ayurvedic type of face wash for my skin. So I'm using this Himalaya Purifying Neem face wash for my skin, and this is so good, it smells so good, and the result of this Himalaya Purifying Neem face wash is very good. And I just switched into this Biotic face wash. This is for Ayurvedic recipe also, and this is for pineapple. This is in the pineapple flavor, and I like this because this is for oily skin. Yeah, I do not have oily skin, but sometimes if I don't remove my makeup for a long time, a little bit oil comes here like on my nose. So I just need like this type of cleanser sometimes to clean all my dirt or oil from my skin. And also I use this Lakme Kiwi Crush face wash cleanser. This is so good, this smells so good. I like this face wash because it has a good fruity flavor, so sometimes I use this also. These are just 3 that I switch on and off. And if you are just not get into the skincare, I think the first step is to find a great cleanser that works on your skin type. Including the toner in your routine has so many benefits, and of course the benefit depends in the brand type and what type of toner that you use. But the toner that I use, it's gently like exfoliate my skin and removes like dirt and oil from my skin that didn't come out after I wash my face, and also hydrates my skin. When I was younger, I do use a toner which was for every skin type, and that was Dabur Gulab Jal. I also use that Gulab Jal nowadays too, because it is so cheap and we can find it everywhere, like in pharmacy or in a drugstore. The third step is moisturizing. You have to find out the really good moisturizer that works for you. Just keep your face hydrated pretty much without having to have the other steps. Maybe next time you could add in like night cream, night mask and all. I just bought this one today. the French note. It has shea butter and olive. I think it works on my skin like without irritating. And I love this Cetaphil moisturizer. I always use this moisturizer. It smells too good, and the lotion is very thick, very rich. If you have dry skin, I suggest that if you are looking for one moisturizer for your entire routine, try to find something like which are little thicker, little richer, because some moisturizer are very light and bunny, but this moisturizer, like this is you can see, this is thick but not as thick as a night cream, so it also hydrates the skin. I love this. This will pretty much keep my face hydrated all day, all night. It is very important to keep the skin hydrated all the time. Drink a lot of water, because not moisturizing your skin cause aging like irritation, fine lines and wrinkles. My fourth step will be a face mask. Of course, I can't leave out any face mask, even though I shrunk this routine into half. This is a shortened basic skincare routine. I wanted to add a face mask because since you are leaving out like serum or all those night creams, you can actually find all those benefits in the right face mask. These masks are available like online or in any drugstore. So just adding one mask, one step, you can add so many benefits into your skincare routine. Right now, or you can say nowadays, I don't have the face mask because the weekend curfew, or you can say weekend lockdowns are going on in Mumbai because of COVID-19, as you know. So I'm using this castor oil instead of that, and this also does the same work like that face mask do. And just put on your fingers and apply all over your face and neck, and just leave it off for about 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off. And yes, it feels so refreshed. My face feels so refreshed and hydrated, and what we need. So the fifth step, the last one I chose, was sunscreen. Of course, I can't just leave out of sunscreen, especially in the daytime routine. When I was in Gujarat for a trip, I skipped out my sunscreen a lot, like I was got lazy and went out in the sun. And you guys knows the weather of the Gujarat, the sun is so hot. I did have a lot of like sunspots in this area. Lot of sunspots are still remaining, but now I'm trying to be more cautious, more careful, and I always wear a sunscreen. I do also have some SPF on my foundation, but I still have a separate sunscreen. There are a lot of sunscreen out there, but you could find that don't have a strong sunscreen smell, non-sticky or light in weight, because for me, I too hate using sunscreen that leaves my face super white, sticky, so I always choose sunscreen which are light in weight. Basically, it feels like a moisturizer. These sunscreen fades tans, even out skin tone and enhances glow. You should wear a sunscreen to protect your skin from the sun, because it could cause aging and sunspots and the other bad things. It is also important even indoors, because even if you are driving a car, the sun gets through the window, so always have it on. But it is also important to get sunlight during the day because of vitamin D. These are the 5 steps that I would highly recommend, and I will never leave out if I had to simplify the 10 steps of Indian skincare routine. Okay guys, so that was my basic Indian skincare for beginners. Let me know down in the comment how many steps are there in your skincare routine.